The space station is a great platform to test not only the hardware but the operations of living and working in space. The beauty of the space station is that if something goes wrong, we can get ourselves safely back to Earth in pretty short order. We don't have that luxury when we go to deep space, so this is the place where we make sure we've got it all right before we send our friends and colleagues out into deep space. I think the most important thing we've learned while living and working on the space station is that we can only do it when we're all on the same page. We work with different people, different cultures, different nations, and it is amazing to see what we can accomplish when that machine is firing on all cylinders. And we do it every day, and we've been doing it for decades. Nobody does this alone. Human spaceflight is a team sport, and without the hundreds of thousands of people who are supporting it, we would never be able to do it.
The ISS is the most incredible wonder of the modern world. NASA's learned a lot of things from the ISS program, both fundamental biological and physical sciences, but also exploration. The single greatest achievement that I feel that the ISS program has produced is that we can grow crops normally off Earth. My favorite memory of ISS support is Scott Kelly did a bouquet from the zinnias. He created the first ever off-Earth flower arrangement. What I hope to see from the ISS as we move forward is more tests of sustainable technologies and approaches like crop production.
We've laid a foundation and an experience base across NASA and across the globe that's going to serve us very well as we move into exploration, both in low Earth orbit as we continue, but also for Moon and to Mars. Human spaceflight is really complicated and it's really unforgiving. Assembling space station was really complicated, yet we successfully did that in space, on orbit, and created the most advanced and complex spacecraft that's ever been built. We have spurred a commercial interest, we've spurred a government interest. There's a passion for space that didn't exist before. I think that inspiration, that motivation that we generated across the globe is probably the single most astounding accomplishment that we've had with the space station. Happy 25 years to the International Space Station.
Happy birthday, ISS. Congratulations on 25 great years.
Happy 25 years, International Space Station.